Changing your primary email on Vanguard is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is updated with your new email address. Step 1. Log into your Vanguard account. Visit the Vanguard website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In Account Settings, find the option for Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed to the Email Management section. Step 4. Update your primary email. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new email, click the Save or Update button. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Follow any instructions provided to confirm the change. By following these steps, you can successfully update your primary email on Vanguard. Make sure to keep your contact information current to receive important updates and notifications.